Welcome to my channel. Many of us are having doubts regarding the new syllabus of UGC NET. In this section, let's discuss about UGC NET Paper 1 syllabus. The important thing we should know is that Paper 1 is a general paper. That is, it is common paper to all irrespective of their subject. There are different subjects for UGC NET. All students appearing for any of those subjects has to give paper 1. Paper 2 is subject specific and paper 1 is general. Next thing about paper 1 is the time limit. The total time we will be getting is 1 hour and the total number of questions is 50. Most important thing is that there is no negative marking for paper 1. So the candidates have the liberty to guess the questions and appear every question. Next, we can the discuss about the detailed syllabus of paper 1. Actually, the main objective of paper 1 is to assess the teaching and research capabilities of the candidates. The test aims at assessing the teaching and research aptitude as well. Candidates are expected to possess and exhibit cognitive abilities which include comprehension, analysis, evaluation, understanding the structure of arguments, deductive and inductive reasoning, etc. The candidates are also expected to have a general awareness about teaching and learning processes in higher education system. Further, they should be aware of interaction between people, environment, natural resources, and their impact on the quality of life. There are 10 units in paper 1. They are teaching aptitude, research aptitude, comprehension, communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, information and communication technology or ICT, people development and environment, and higher education system. Let's discuss each unit in detail. Unit 1 is teaching aptitude. Under teaching aptitude, different subtopics are there. They are teaching. Teaching means the concept of teaching, objectives, levels of teaching, characteristics and basic requirements of teaching, etc. Then learners' characteristics is there, factors affecting teaching, methods of teaching in institutions of higher learning, teaching support system, evaluation system, etc. Then unit 2 is research aptitude. In research aptitude, there are various subtopics are there. They are research, methods of research, steps of research, thesis and article writing, etc. Unit 3 is comprehension. In comprehension, a passage of text will be given and the questions be asked from the passage to be answered. And unit 4 is communication. Under communication, you should know the meaning of communication, the types and characteristics of communication, effective communication, barriers to effective communication, mass media and society, etc. Unit 5 is mathematical reasoning and aptitude. The major subtopics are types of reasoning, number series, letter series, codes and relationship, mathematical aptitude, etc. The major topics under mathematical aptitude are profit and loss, fraction, time and distance, proportion and percentage, etc. Then comes unit 6, that is logical reasoning. There, understanding the structure of arguments are there, analogies are there, Venn diagram, etc. Then unit 7 is data interpretation. In data interpretation, the major subtopics are sources, acquisition and classification of data, quantitative and qualitative data, graphical representation like bar chart, histograms, pie chart, etc. Then data and governance is there. Then unit 8 is information and communication technology or ICT. Under ICT, there are some topics like basics of internet, intranet, email, audio and video conferencing, etc. And digital initiatives in higher education. That is also important. Unit 9 is People, Development and Environment. Under that, development and environment, human and environment interaction, etc. are there. And the last topic is Higher Education System. There we must know institution of higher learning and education in ancient India, evolution of higher learning and research in post-independence India, Oriental conventional and non-conventional learning programs in India, professional, technical and skill-based education, value education and environmental education, policies, governance and administration, etc. So these are the different units in paper 1. So there are 10 units in paper 1. 5 questions each carrying 2 marks are to be set from each module. So this is the syllabus for paper 1 of UGC NET. That's all about this video. Thank you.